My name is Utkarsh Singh of Civil Engineering 4th year, and my topic of seminar is floating farm. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about floating farm, what are they and where they can be used, and their benefits in everyday life. What is a floating farm? In floating farm, we use a layer of water hyacinth and a bamboo is tied together by their root to make a raft-like shape which can float on water. These rafts are between 2 and 4 feet high, on which farmers plant seeds, often using wood chippings and coconut coir as a fertilizer. These rafts can be used as a floating gardens to plant bitter gourds and spinach and okra. We are now living in a situation where our climate is changing rapidly and which can lead to several problems like changing rainfall pattern, overflooding, drought, rising sea level, etc. By using this method of farming, we can use the surface of water to grow vegetable and some crops for our day-to-day need. It also comes with great employment opportunities and is 8 to 10 times more productive than traditional farming. And it also requires less space than conventional farming and require no pesticide. The case study was conducted by United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction in largest riverine island of world, Muley, which is in Assam, India. A survey was conducted on the residents of Majuli. They were asked about their new practice of growing vegetables on a raft. In 50-60 years, Majuli shrank by 30% and is consistently facing problem of soil erosion and overflooding. Their only source of food was bow paddy because it was suitable to grow vegetables as necessary is mother of invention. They discovered a new method of growing vegetables on surface of water with the help of a non-profit organization, SAFE, South Asian Forum for Environment. They introduced a new method of using bamboo raft and biodegradable material to grow vegetable on floating raft. They used to grow vegetable and on big drums to keep the raft afloat. Arun Kumar Pathak, a retired district agriculture officer in Majuli, said floating farm beds have helped farmers to cultivate vegetables, shrubs, and medicinal plants. The water bodies that accumulate flood water can be used for floating agriculture. The method encouraged no-tillage and organic farming. This is the cost-benefit table for floating farm, which clearly shows that it is very suitable and efficient to grow vegetable by this method. Due to, due to adverse effect of global warming on agriculture and a changed rain pattern, we need to innovate our traditional method of farming and irrigation with new one, which are more suitable. Floating farm can be used in flood-prone areas and hence need a serious implementation program funded by Government of India. Government of India should consider this situation and form a committee to study more on floating farm and by way it could be conveyed to aggrieved farmers. Researches can be made on crops which can survive salinity also to make it more effective. This method does not involve use of pesticide, so will not harm the aquatic life beneath the farm, and vegetables obtained through these are also very good to eat and fully organic. We need to promote this technique in India to sustain our future needs. Thank you.